What is going on, everyone? In this video, we are going to be going over 5 things that you need to know, kind of hidden tips and tricks. All right, so we're just going to get right into it here. In order to access your kind of quick features right here, like portrait, extra dim, Dolby Atmos, and to adjust your brightness, you normally have to swipe down twice right here. But did you know that you can actually use 2 fingers and bring it down immediately? It's so much easier just to use 2 fingers and bring it down immediately rather than having to swipe twice. And there's no setting that you need to change to enable this. It's just there. All right, so the second one right here is going to be locking your home screen. So if you ever have any issues with your home screen kind of rearranging itself when you're just not meaning to, you can actually lock your home screen by taking 2 fingers and pinching and clicking settings and scrolling down right here until you see lock home screen layout. This will prevent the items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. And I actually like this better because I actually only like to have one lock screen layout anyways, and I don't really do a lot of swapping around, so this is really helpful for me. So this next one here is actually going to be creating a secured folder, which is kind of like a private folder or a second space to your Samsung. So in order to do this, you're going to want to open settings, scroll down until you see security and privacy. Then it's going to be right here under security, and it is called secure folder. Now I haven't set it up yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and set one up. So you can pretty much move anything over to the secured folder, pictures, apps, files, pretty much anything like that. I'm just going to set a pin just for convenience sake for now because I'm not actually going to be using this. Yes, I know my pin is easy to guess. So after you end up creating it, it's going to create a icon on your home screen called secure folder. Now this is what it's going to look like. In order to lock it, you're just going to want to tap the 3 dots and click lock and exit. So now when you try to open it up, it's going to prompt for your pin. And after entering the pin, it's going to open up. So yeah, that is secured folder. So this next one is for the people that want to speed up their device a lot without enabling developer options. So this is going to be a way to remove animations without enabling developer options. To activate this feature, you're going to want to open up settings and scroll down until you see accessibility. Then tap on visibility enhancements, scroll down until you see remove animations. And as you can see, this is also useful if you're sensitive to animation or screen movement. So yeah, after you enable that, it should, I'm not sure why it's still doing the out animation. On mine right now, all it's doing is removing the in animation. So I'm not quite sure why the out animation is still playing, but yeah, I think it's supposed to remove both. But either way, whenever you're opening an app, it's way faster. It immediately opens up. So yeah. If you do want to keep your animations, but you just want them to be extremely fast, I have a video on that I'll put somewhere on screen, and I go over that, and I believe it's number 4 or 5 in the video. So yeah, check out that video. So this next one has to do with contacts. So I'm here in my contacts, and when I want to call or text somebody, instead of going in and clicking on their contact and then clicking message or call, you can actually save yourself a click by just swiping right to message them or swiping left to call them. This is a really simple thing, but not everyone knows about it, so I figured I would try and let a few more people in on the secret. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, definitely leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.